Salut and welcome to this beginner-friendly French lesson. Today we are learning 25 easy two-word French phrases to kickstart your French speaking skill. I'll say the phrase, give you the English meaning and then we'll help you pronounce it. So let's start the video. Make sure to repeat every French phrase after me. Hello you. Bonjour toi. Repeat after me. Bonjour toi. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Very good. Très bien. Très bien. Good job. Bon travail. Bon travail. How is it going? Ça va? Ça va? Things are going well. Ça roule. Ça roule. Not bad. Pas mal. Pas mal. See you soon. A bientôt. A bientôt. See you tomorrow. A demain. A demain. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Enjoy your meal. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Well done. Bien joué. Bien joué. See you later. À plus. À plus. Hey dude. Salut mec. Salut mec. Okay. Agreed. D'accord. D'accord. So cool. Very nice. Trop bien. Trop bien. I understand. Je comprends. Je comprends. I eat. I am eating. Je mange. Je mange. It's true. C'est vrai. C'est vrai. Of course. Bien sûr. Bien sûr. It's false. Wrong. C'est faux. C'est faux. Not yet. Pas encore. Pas encore. Already. Tout prêt. Tout prêt. It's good. C'est bon. C'est bon. Let's go. C'est parti. C'est parti. Great job, everyone. Try repeating these phrases daily to build your confidence in speaking French. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. A bientôt.